Welcome. In this video, I discuss a MACD indicator strategy for beginners and how you can become a timing expert immediately. This method can be used for all trading instruments, all markets, cryptos, stocks, Forex, and is applicable in all time frames. In this example, I'm going to be using this MACD settings. There's going to be a video link in the description of this video explaining how I arrive at these numbers. In this example also, we're taking a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly. The problem with trying to time reversals is that you never know where the low is and you tend to run into the risk of actually being caught up in a washout. So the method tries to help us avoid as much as possible false signals because it relies on the signals provided by the MACD itself to help us identify potential bullish or bearish entry points for swing trading or scalping. Here we see that the MACD moved above this range, which coincided with this nice price action, which coincides with the current lows on the 4-hourly for BTC. It also happens to coincide with this area of the MACD where we moved above this area, and of course we came off the lows. So short term, those lows are holding. So what we can do is take that information and draw a line as such, and you can see for timing purposes using that information that this becomes where the MACD finds support and we get short-term lows right there, which is a good reversal entry. If we extend the same line again, we can see here over the last couple of hours BTC has come and tagged this level twice, and already we are seeing prices starting to coil higher, which means that as long as the line is holding, then the possibility of a move higher continues. Keep in mind, if the line was to be broken to the downside, that in itself would be a sell signal. The method can also be used for sell signals for when you want to go bearish. Here we can see a break of this trend line of the MACD, which corresponds with coming off these highs here on the 4-hourly. We can use this information provided by the MACD by drawing a straight line from there, and immediately you can see all the swing trade opportunities that have come from this line. Where we find resistance, we see that we get swing trade opportunities or scalping opportunities. Sometimes we only need price action to give us signals of where the market is wanting to go, and then there are many moments when the indicators do a fabulous job in predicting their next swing or scalping direction.